lighting up their learning. High Touch, High Tech is at Coosa Elementary School, bringing energy to life in 4th grade classrooms. During the hands-on workshop, students are exploring different types of energy.
She was teaching us about energy and how things like kinetic energy, heat, and light energy.
She was teaching us like how different things work and like ways they do work. How like light energy can like transform into like heat energy, and then like kinetic can turn into heat.
High Touch, High Tech is all about hands-on science designed to boost children's scientific and technological literacy. During the session, students are experiencing firsthand how energy moves, transforms, and powers the world around them.
My favorite activity was when we made the instrument. We got to use 4 rubber bands and a cup, and we made a guitar. It made sound energy.
The one where you like tap it on the ground and like you look at the waves in the water was like my favorite, because like you got to see the waves in the water, and I like put it up to my ear and it was really cool.
Students also went outside to take part in an exciting challenge, predicting how much energy it takes to launch different sized water bottles.
I predict that the small water bottle would go further because it's smaller and it has less air. When the smallest one didn't go as far as the big one, I learned that even though it's small, it can't go as far as the big one because the big one went way faster than the smaller one. Probably the water went up above the plastic, and that made it go farther.
The hands-on workshop was about 90 minutes long. At Coosa Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaver County School District.